Okay, so hi, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Okay, I have been disappeared for almost 2 months or above 2 months. But yeah, life happens and I'm right back again. Hi. And yeah, today's video is going to be a haul. It's going to be a like skincare sort of collective, mostly makeup brushes, and I have bought way too much makeup, but it's not going to be in this haul because I've unpacked and actually used it many times, several times to be honest. So it's going to be a random haul, just a random haul, mostly focusing on makeup brushes because the star of the show is today the brushes. So if you want to know what I bought, keep on watching. Okay, so it's too long that even my tripod is like all spiders home. So yeah, it's been a long time without you, my friend. So hi. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with some random stuff. I'm not gonna go in details because there's no point of going in details. I'm just gonna show you what I bought, and these are all brand new and I've kept it in the box itself. I'm not like bahar nikal liya sab kuch. But yeah, this is the stuff, and I'm gonna just go randomly and gonna show you that this is this and this is that, and that's it. Okay, so first thing I see here is this Himalaya lotion. It's the clear complexion brightening body lotion, and this is how it looks. I've been using this from past 6-7 months, and it's quite hydrating too. It consists of some oils, or I guess something, because I used the other one, the Nivea one, which contains SPF and does the same job, but it was sort of just like protecting you from the sun, nothing else, and just maintaining your complexion. This one actually hydrates it too, so I just mix them together and work it out. So the lotion I was talking about is this one, the Nivea Extra Whitening Cell Repair SPF 15 lotion. So it's summer almost and we need a good SPF lotion. So this actually, what it doesn't do anything. Okay, it has nothing to do with whitening or stuff. It just like maintains your skin color, which you are in present, like I am this skin tone right now. So it just maintains it, and it has SPF, so it kind of protects it from the sun too. And yeah, it is a good lotion, so I just mix them together and you know make my own lotion. Okay, so the next thing I got is this Cetaphil moisturizer. It's the huge tub. It's the, I guess, the full size tub, and it cost for me, it cost for like 930. It was previously for 850 rupees or something, but then the price eventually increased, and this is the tub. And I have not used I've never used this moisturizer before. It's my first time and I've heard good things about it, so I'm gonna just give it a shot. And yeah, this is the moisturizer. Okay, so I'll just list down the prices on the screen and the products link in the DB box. So this is the next thing I got. It's the Mamaearth Micellar Foaming Makeup Remover Face Wash kind of a stuff. And again, heard good things about it, never used it before. And this is how it looks. It comes with a silicone brush, so I'm not gonna use it on a daily purpose. I'm just gonna use it when I do my makeup, and after removing my makeup, I am the person who needs a extreme cleansing on my face. I just don't even want a single particle of makeup after I remove it on my face. So I'm just gonna use it, my after makeup cleanser, just for that, not for like waking up and using this, not for that, just for the, you know what I mean. Okay, so then the next thing I got is these two moisturizer. I'm gonna say moisturizer. These two face washes from Himalaya. One is the Neem face wash, and it's the 400 ml, I guess. Yeah, 400 ml, and another one is the Oil Clear Lemon face wash, 200 ml. Both are from my mother and my brother, so I have to do nothing with this. I'm just including these in my hauls, so these are not mine. They use them. My brother has sort of some pimples, so he uses this one. My mother is oily, so she uses this one. So yeah. Okay, so then I got these Nykaa shampoo and conditioner. It's the new launch, not new actually. I'm filming this video a month after this launch, I guess. I don't remember. So this is the onion shampoo, and this is the onion conditioner. I got them in the combo pack or something. It's 200 ml. It's 180 ml, and it costs for like, I don't know, 630, 680 or some, no, not 630, 680. It costs for like, I don't remember. It has some discount, so I'll just leave that on the screen. So yeah, it's an it's the it's paraben free, SLS free, cruelty free, and natural activities. It's for hair fall. Yeah, it's for hair fall. It's for your hair fall, and I have not used this. I'm gonna try and I'm just gonna tell you later. Okay, so the next thing I got is this Everyuth tan removal scrub. This jar empties like nothing in our house. Like 1 month and it's all empty. So I got like 4 or 5 of these, and it was on discount. Actually, it cost for 115 rupees, so it doesn't matter if it was on discount or not. But it cost for like 98 rupees after discount, and it actually does the job pretty well. It actually removes tan. You can see a visible result after using this, and it's for 50G. And I have actually shown you the next product too. So it's this one, Nykaa Serial Kisser lip balm, and it's in the shade raspberry. Not shade, it's in the flavor raspberry. So yeah, it's a good lip balm, good for summers, not for winters, good for summers. So I just got this. Okay, with the Cetaphil moisturizer, I actually got this free. It's the oily skin cleanser, and it's the sample size or something. I just got this free, so I'm just gonna give this to my brother or my mother, whoever likes to use it. Okay, so there is one makeup sort of product, and which is this one. It's the Swiss Beauty Brighten Body and Face Highlighter. I'm gonna use this for body highlighter, and it's in the shade 01 Gold. So this is how the bottle looks. And actually I have seen some comments which is saying that, which were claiming that it's the dupe of Huda's Nelf or something like that body highlighter. So yeah, and the highlighter is actually pretty good. Let me show you. So this is the consistency, and it is, I have taken way too much, and let me, okay, so it's way too yellow, but it blends out in skin pretty well. Okay, my skin tone looks pretty okay. So this is the highlighter, my skin without. Yeah, you can see the visible difference. It's more shiny and good, and it's just plain. So yeah, it's pretty good, but it's kind of drying, a little bit drying. I don't know, I have to use it first, like properly use it first, and then open my mouth. Okay, now coming up to the makeup brushes, I have bought way too makeup brushes in the last 2 months, like way too much. And starting off with the Miniso one, so I got these brushes. Actually I've used some of the brushes too, so I cannot find their outer box, bear with me. So these are the eye brushes, and one is kind of an eyeshadow brush, and one is the smudger brush in it. And this one is some kind of a blending brush, and this one is an eyeliner brush, or you can of course use it for your eyebrows too. So these brushes are very soft. Miniso brushes are actually my favorite. They are very inexpensive and very good, and good quality brushes, and even their brush hair doesn't shred before time, or you can say they are just good. Okay, the next two brushes I got from Miniso are these two. One is the powder brush, and it's a very good fluffy brush. I love this brush. And another one is the foundation brush. Well, I don't know how to apply foundation with this brush, so basically I bought this for my contouring or for my bronzing, because it's actually very dense and thick and dense. So it's good for my contouring, or maybe for the shape of my face. It's good for that purpose. And the brushes hair and the hair of the brushes are very good and very soft and just very good. And I have actually thrown the outer packaging of this. So okay, so the next brushes are these two, again eye brushes, both from Miniso, and these are very pretty unicorn brushes. One is bit dense, not bit dense, it's very dense, and it's the I don't know, for blending or stuff like that brush. And this one is the eyeshadow brush, and it's very cute. I like these brushes actually, and they are very cute and unicorny. Yeah, another two eye brushes I got. Okay, now coming to the star of the show, which is these brushes. It's the Swiss Beauty brush set. Dude, the packaging is so beautiful, perfect for gifting and stuff. It's just beautiful. I love the outer packaging of this. Okay, so this is the outer box, which is absolute pretty and perfect for gifting anyone. And they are so inexpensive, so cheap. Like you get 6 brushes for like 700 or 800 bucks, which is so great because brushes are so expensive these days. Plus I have actually used one of this. Okay, so these people keeps distracting me by blowing up their horns, but still. Okay, so this is the packaging. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, and they are so inexpensive and so good and so just unreal. So I've used this brush and it's so soft. Actually, you know, Miniso brushes and Swiss Beauty brushes, now they have come with a brush set. These brushes are actually snatching the game of pack brushes because they are so inexpensive, so cheap. Because pack brushes cost for like 600 for one brush or 400 for one brush, or like more than sometimes that, like 900 for a brush, which is very very expensive and not everyone can afford it. Even I have good 5 or 6 pack brushes and they are way too expensive. Trust me, they are very expensive, and they are just the perfect brushes and so soft. The bristles are so soft, so good. Just I'm just loving this set itself. It's so beautiful. Gift your sisters, gift your girlfriends this, and they'll be so happy. It's so beautiful, it's so perfect. Okay, let's cut it short now. Okay, so it consists of 6 brushes. One is the powder brush. They have actually labeled the brushes also, which is very good. And this one is the foundation brush, this one is the concealer brush, I guess, and this one is eyeshadow brush, blending brush, and this one is eyeshadow applicator, and this one is the, you know, eyebrow brush. It contains the spoolie too. So just perfect. These brushes are perfect. The application, if you apply anything with these brushes, the outcome is going to be beautiful, and this is just perfect. Okay, so that was the last thing in our haul, and I hope you like it because it's been a long time since I have been missing from YouTube. So I actually, if I, you know, if you don't find something, you know, very more elaborating, or you find some cons, so just, you know, forgive me for that. And I hope you like the video, I hope you subscribe, I hope you share and leave a comment and say hi to me, and I see you guys next time. Until then, bye.